G'day ladies and gents, and guess what? I'm back with another hack video. Now I know it looks like Friday afternoon arts and crafts here, but believe me, by the time we finish, you'll be going, what did I think of that? Now, today we're looking at how we can safely transport our knives from home out while we're camping or on the boat or in the caravan, wherever. Now, knives like this one here, awesome knives to use, but it doesn't come with a scabbard. So how am I meant to put this in my kit and take it with me safely? Now, it can be as simple as one of these. Now, these are easy to make yourself, as I'm going to show you, but it's a bit of pipe, little end cap, safely stored 2 knives inside. Now, the best thing about this is keeps your knife safe. It also keeps your family safe. So if you've got kids, out of sight, out of mind for them, they're not going to know what's in it. They don't care. They're not going to touch it. But let's get to it. So what we're going to need, I've got a bicycle tube which I've cut up. I've got some high density foam, some pipe. Now I've also got end caps, so 2 end caps for each piece of pipe, and I've got a bit of glue. You could just as easily use super glue or whatever glue you've got on hand. Also got a permanent marker which we'll use for labeling at the end. Your first step is you want to measure your pipe to the length of your knife. So you want it to be just slightly longer than the length of your knife. Now, with your 2 end caps, what you want to do, you want to make an impression on your foam. So force it down and you'll see it leaves a ring like that. Now that ring is where you cut around the inside, so you've got a little circle of foam, like so. And you want to do the exact same with your rubber, and then you want to end up with the same size ring like that. Now the reason we do that is to take good care of the tip of our knives. So what we're going to do with our bit of foam, we're going to put that in first, and then you want to put the rubber on top. Now, from there we want to get a bit of glue, and we want to glue one end only on. We only want to do one end, and then force it on. Bingo. Now while that dries, I'll explain what this is for. So because you don't want your knife flogging around the inside of this with just a bare exposed edge, you get a bit of cardboard and you fold it around the edge like that. That's going to protect your blade, and that's going to sit inside your bit of pipe. That'll slide the whole way up with your knife. Now, your other end cap, that doesn't need to be glued on. Obviously, you won't be able to get it off if you do. It slides on and off, but you can force it on pretty tight. It doesn't come off that easily, so kids aren't going to be able to get into it. Just make sure with your little marker pen there, mark top. There you go, guys. Safe as houses. Those knives are going to be safe in transport. You're not going to lose your edge, you're not going to damage your knife, and most of all, you're not going to damage any of your kids or family members that are digging through your kit. So whip yourself up some of these, get out there, enjoy yourself, stay safe, catch you later.